Customer quotes by customer report. From this report, you can generate customer quotations by grouping customer name. You can access this report from Customers, Reports, Customer quotes by customer. From report filters, you can select customers. You can select a particular customer, range of customers. If you don't select any customers, system will display all customers. You can select active customers, inactive customers, or both customers. From customer categories, you can select particular customer category, range of customer categories. If you don't select any customer category, system will display all customer categories. From report options, you can select date range. You can select monthly, quarterly, yearly, month to date, quarter to date, year to date, live to date, custom to date, last month, last quarter, last year. If you select custom date, you can select particular date range. If you select all, system will display all date range customer quotations. From style, you can select summary or detailed. From status, you can select accepted quotations, declined quotations, pending quotations, expired quotations, invoice quotations, or all quotations. If you check Use Foreign Currency checkbox, system will display all transactions in customer's currency. You can hit View Report to generate the report. First, we will generate summary report. From this report, you can view customers, transaction date, transaction number, status of the quotation, quantity in the quotation, and total selling price in the quotation. In customer quotes report, we can view a list of quotations. In quotes by customer report, system will display quotations by group in the customer name. In customer quotes report, we can view list of quotations. It's sorted by document number. In quotes by customer report, it's grouped by customer and sorted by customer name. We will generate detailed report. If you select detailed report, you can view each lines in the quotations. In summary report, we can view only one line for one quotation. However, in detailed report, you can view line item wise in the quotation. You can view line item, quantity, and selling price. This report also you can export to PDF, CSV, and Excel. You can print or email this report.